Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of Fish&Dat. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, you probably seen in a previous video, probably last week or week before last, I posted how horrible the weather conditions have been here in Louisiana, and it's made fishing pretty rough. So what I decided to do, I think in the first video of this year or the last video of last year, I told y'all there was a couple of projects that I was going to be working on. One of the projects is I'm going to attempt to make my own bed, my own bait bed. So we're going to, sheriff department just passed by and they were like, what is he doing? Anyway, one of the things I wanted to do was start my own bait bed. I've been watching some videos. I think I got a good idea, but of course I'm going to put my own twist on things. So family, I've already started. The first thing we got to do, this fence that my neighbors put up, they put it up kind of shallow. As you can see, the cement at the bottom of each one of those is only maybe 9, 10, 12 inches deep. We had a strong wind come by the other day, blew a portion over. I have this portion in the back. I wanted to save it up to about right here. So if y'all can tell, I have this supported, and I'll probably go down in the future and sink those down to about the same level as my fence down there, which is, I have my fence, what do you call them? Anyway, I have mine vertical. They put these horizontal. I like the look. I like how we tied them in together, but once again, they did not sink the poles deep enough. So I'll have to go back and take care of that in the future. So today's episode is going to be about us getting the rest of these boards out of the way, kneading this up, figuring out where I'm going to put these. I don't think I'm going to hammer the concrete off of these poles today. I'm going to incorporate my son and my son-in-law to perhaps help me, and we'll go ahead and knock that cement off here in a future episode, and we'll go ahead and get this thing looking decent again. I'm not sure if I'm going to come back and finish this fence up or not, or just leave it right here where it is. All right, fam. So today's task is I'm going to finish the fence, finish taking it up, stacking that wood up back here behind the existing fence. We're going to clear this area out right here. Can y'all see that? Right here where you see that garbage can at, the wheelbarrow. We're going to take what needs to go to the trash can, get this all cleaned up, and get this side of the house looking good. We may even break some soil and get that soil kind of broke up to get ready to start that worm bed. All right, family, so this is going to be a different kind of fishing episode, if you will, but it's all part of the process. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. right, fam. Woo! It has been some hard, back-breaking work. We've been at this for a couple of hours now. Now, what I'm about to do now is take this to a local dumpster. This is going on the side of the road, and these mosquitoes are horrible. Look at that, fam. Can y'all see that? That's the size of the mosquitoes I'm dealing with. Ooh, I'm gonna put on some off. Check this out. Right there. They're everywhere. All right, fam. Like I said, this is going on the side of the road along with that jack. Old me would try to salvage that jack somehow. That's going on the side of the road. And in the comment section below, put how long do you think before those are gone? And in the next video, I'll tell y'all, I'm guessing 3 hours. I tell you what, nope, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Between now and noon tomorrow, those will be gone. Somebody will pick those up for scrap metal, try to salvage the jack, whatever. That's how it works here in the country. All right, family, we're gonna take this stuff to the dumpster, get rid of this portion. We're gonna come back and do one more load. I wanna get the whole side of this look decent, and then we'll probably bring this episode to a close. Next episode, we'll start to break ground, and this is probably gonna be 3 episodes. And in the 3rd episode, I'll start to put in motion what I think is gonna make a good baked bed. I'll give you a hint. We're starting to do renovation on the upstairs, and there's gonna be carpet coming out of both rooms. I think that carpet is gonna contribute to the baked bed. All right, family, y'all stay tuned, and we'll be right back to finish up episode 1, and then next week we'll jump into episode 2. All right, family. It's starting to sprinkle. That is an old hammock that Lady Red had 15, 20 years ago. I had put the metal behind the storage shed, thinking we might revive it one day. That's never gonna happen. This is actually the hammock material. Right here, the actual hammock itself. And I use that to cover up my, whatever I'm hauling on the trailer. So, as you can see, that's one and done, baby. So, we're gonna go ahead and take that metal to the road with the jack and the other piece of metal. Yeah, I'm out of breath, y'all. I put in a real 3 hours of work. Woo, I didn't work this hard at my job. Of course, I sat at the desk. But we're gonna go ahead and take that metal to the road, maybe make one more trip to the dumpster, then I'll show y'all the progress we made, and we'll go ahead and bring this one in for a landing. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. All right, fam, your boy has put in a full day at work, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring this video in for a close. Go in and find myself something to drink. I'm gonna go ahead and get hydrated, find myself something to chew on, probably call the blood bank and see if I get a pint of blood for the mosquitoes. Have already taken at least a pint and a half out my butt here today, because after with all that rain, whoo, they are everywhere and they are ever big. All right, fam. So, are y'all ready for the big reveal? This is part 1 of the bait bed. Like I said, I've never done this before. I've never done a bait bed, but I spend probably $10 to $15 per week, sometimes $20, $25 on worms. So y'all do the math. Let's say I spend $20 a week times 50 weeks per year. 2.5, that's $1,000. All right, fam. So if I can save myself, say this takes me $100 to set up, I can save myself $900, $800 in a year. Well worth it. All right, family, here goes. In my genius, I did not take a before picture, but I do have before footage of how this looked before I started. Fam, check that out. Not bad if I say so myself. I got a few items over here I got to figure out what to do with. That was my old CB antenna. I got a few things on the trailer we got to get rid of. And that trash can, I'm not quite sure. It doesn't have a lid on it. That's my number 2 backup trash can. I might be able to use that in this composting worm setup. I'm not quite sure. But fam, there you have it. Boom. We're going to finish cleaning up here on the side of the shed, get rid of a lot of this junk. And that way, when we ride down the road, you can look at the side of the house once it's painted, and you can really feel proud of our effort between 23 and year 2024. All right, family, so we're gonna go ahead and bring this one in for a landing. I hope y'all enjoyed this. This is one of my episodes of fishing that when we can't fish. All right, family, y'all take care. Y'all have a great day. And if y'all enjoying this type of content, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up. Consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.